floor.
I have accepted the dates. I have already accepted the dates.
now.
You are not following.
This is
You are not
impropriety.
listening to me what I have to
This
do.
is impropriety,
On different
sir.
dates they have been resigned. I am telling you the dates also. You are not listening to my full speech. What I can do? Now, matters to be raised out. Yeah, let.
Sir,
Let him. You, tomorrow you are moving. Okay.
sir, I am thankful to you. You have given me an opportunity to put forth my views about this paper leak and NEET examination घोटाला एंड नो चंदा चोरी तो है ही है, सब उसके समर्थक उधर बैठे हैं, लेकिन सर ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है, ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है जो लाखों बच्चों की जो भविष्य है उनके भविष्य के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूं और उसके लिए आज यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे हजारों बच्चे वहां पर आए हैं, वहां लाठी चार्ज हो गया है, गवर्नमेंट मारने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट दबाने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है
Known today.
और
The house is adjourned till 12 noon today. He began his professional career in journalism and earned recognition for his incisive writings and analytical commentary on issues of national importance. Sriman Balbir Bunchi also authored widely acclaimed books reflecting his deep interest in India's civilizational heritage, public policy, and national affairs. He also served as the chairman of National Commission for Youth under the Government of India. In the passing away of Sriman Balbir K. Punchi, the country has lost an eminent parliamentarian, a distinguished journalist, and an accomplished author. Sriman Swapan Sadhan Boji passed away on the 12th of May 2026 at the age of 78 years. He served as the member of the Rajya Sabha representing the state of West Bengal from 2005 to 2011. Born on the 23rd of January 1948 at Howrah in West Bengal, Sriman Boji earned widespread recognition for his distinguished contribution to the promotion and development of football and sports administration in the country. Popularly known as Tutu Bose, Sriman Boji was associated with the historic Mohan Bagan Athletic Club for over 3 decades and also served as its president. His visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to the cause of sports earned him immense respect across the sporting fraternity. He also served as the member of the FIFA Club Task Force representing Indian football in international sporting forums. In his passing, the country has lost an eminent sports administrator, an able parliamentarian, and a devoted public figure. Sriman Rangasai Ramakrishnaji passed away on the 4th of June 2026 at the age of 92 years. He served as the member of the Rajya Sabha representing the state of Karnataka from 2012 to 2018. Born on the 15th of March 1934 at Chidambaram in Kadalur district of Tamil Nadu, Sriman Ramakrishnaji had a distinguished career in public service spanning several decades. A member of the Indian Administrative Service, Rajasthan cadre of 1957, he held various important positions in the government of Rajasthan and government of India. He was also connected with the Economic Commission for Europe in Geneva and was a consultant to GATT and UNCTAD. Later, he assumed the office of Secretary General of the Association of Synthetic Fiber Industries. In the passing away of Sriman Rangasai Ramakrishnaji, the country has lost a dedicated public servant and an accomplished parliamentarian. Sriman H. Hanumantappa ji passed away on the 12th of July 2026 at the age of 94 years. He served as the member of the Rajya Sabha representing the state of Karnataka for 3 consecutive terms from 1982 to 2000. Born on the 13th May 1932 at Kutata Rangavana Halli village in the Chitradurga district of Karnataka, Sriman Hanumantappa ji actively participated in the Indian national movement during his student days and remained associated with constructive social work throughout his public life. An advocate by profession, he served in several important capacities, including as the chairman of the Railway Service Commission, Bengaluru, and the National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. During his long public career, he worked tirelessly for the rural development, irrigation, farmers' welfare, and the promotion of village industries. In passing away of Sriman H. Hanumantappa ji, the country has lost an eminent parliamentarian, a dedicated social worker, and a public servant par excellence. Honorable members, I also revert to the profound sorrow to the passing away of His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, Father Amir of the state of Qatar. His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani passed away on the 12th of July 2026 at the age of 74. He served as the Amir of the state of Qatar for 18 years from the June 1995 to June 2013. He was a visionary leader who laid the foundation of modern Qatar and took it to great heights of development and prosperity. He also played a pivotal role in nurturing India-Qatar relations. The House joins the bereaved family, the government and the people of the state of Qatar in mourning the passing away of His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani. We deeply mourn the passing away of Sriman Balbir K. Poonchi, Sriman Swapan Sadan Boji, Sriman Rangasai Ramakrishna ji, Sriman H. Hanumantappa ji, and His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani ji.